For today's cookie recipe, we are making these easy 6-ingredient brown sugar cookies. These cookies take only 20 minutes to make, require no mixer, and use only one bowl. In a large bowl, combine 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, light or dark, and 1/2 cup of melted salted butter that has cooled slightly. Whisk this for about 2 minutes vigorously until everything is well combined and the mixture will be nice and thick. Now we're going to add in 1 large room temperature egg as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. We're going to continue whisking this for another 1 to 2 minutes or until everything is well combined and the mixture is nice and light and airy and glossy in appearance. Now we can add in our flour. This is 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to switch to a spatula and mix this by hand until everything is combined. As always, all of these instructions and the full written recipe are also included in the description box below. Continue mixing until no streaks of flour remain. Ensure that you don't overmix your dough or you may end up with a tough cookie. I'm going to use a 3/4 tablespoon cookie scoop and I'm going to drop these onto parchment lined baking sheets. Ensure that you leave some room for spreading. These are going to bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes. Take them out as soon as the bottoms start to brown and then immediately move them to a wire rack to ensure that the bottoms don't continue to cook on the cookie sheets. Allow these cookies to cool for about 5 minutes. That is how you make these easy brown sugar cookies. They have a lovely, crunchy outside and a soft, tender middle. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.